Prices moved in ways that don't match demand, supply chains suddenly tightened, and behind the scenes, China quietly pulled a lever that sent shockwaves through industrial metals. But here's the real question no one is asking out loud. If silver demand is rising worldwide, why is the market behaving like it's collapsing? And more importantly, what is the US not telling you about what's really going on?
Right now, silver looks boring on the chart. Flat, slow, almost dead. And that's exactly why people are not paying attention. History shows that the biggest moves always come when interest is at its lowest, when everyone thinks nothing will happen. Behind the scenes, demand is quietly rising, supply is tightening, and trust in traditional money is cracking. This is not happening overnight. It's happening step by step, slowly and intentionally.
Silver has been treated like gold's quiet cousin. People talk about it as a precious metal, a hedge, or a store of value. But that's only half the story. Today, silver is no longer just about jewelry or coins. It is one of the most critical industrial metals on the planet. Solar panels, electric vehicles, advanced electronics, military equipment, medical devices, and next-generation batteries all depend heavily on silver. And this is where the real problem begins. China currently dominates the global supply chain for industrial manufacturing. From solar panels to EV components, China sits at the center of it all. What many people don't realize is that China is also one of the largest consumers of silver in the world. Not just buyers, but processors. Over the last year, China has quietly tightened export controls on key materials, increased domestic stockpiling, and shifted silver usage inward towards strategic industries.